Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to create a bot using menu builder bot constructor. For those of you who doesn't have menu builder yet, you can just go to the search and enter menu builder bot, and you will find it by using global search. For us, we have it already, so we're just gonna go in, restart, and we get in menu. After that, we can press manage bots and add bot. Menu builder gives us instructions regarding how to create a new bot using bot fodder. For those of you who does have the key already, you can just copy and paste it here. For those of you who doesn't have bot yet, and if you don't know how to get the new bot, you can just follow our steps and you will get it. So in order for us to create the address for our new bot, we can just go bot fodder using the link provided for us in the message. We start the bot and we're using command new bot to start creating a bot. As you can see, bot fodder offers us to provide him with a name for our new bot, which we're gonna do now. The name could be anything, it doesn't have to be unique, so we just do it. And now bot fodder asks us to provide the address for our bot. This address has to be unique. It can have only Latin letters, numbers and underscore. And what is also important, it has to be finished on a bot. So we have the name already. We're just gonna give it to bot fodder. As you can see, after we done these two steps, bot fodder creates the key for us. This key we have to copy and go back to the menu builder and provide it for menu builder to create the bot for us. If everything is done right, then menu builder shows us that our key has been accepted, and he provides us the link for our bot so we can go straight in. That's what we're gonna do now. We start in the bot and we get in menu. This menu is for us to create the buttons in the bot and many other things. But for now, we're gonna finish with this. Just only one thing I like to mention: for those of you who likes to switch in Spanish or Russian language, you can use these commands and change the languages. We're gonna bring it back to English and we're gonna finish with this. The address of menu builder constructor in Telegram is already on your screen. If you like to know about updates on the channel, press subscribe. If you like to be informed about every new video, press notify.